Selling today is no longer just about closing deals. It's about pricing accuracy, contract automation, renewals, and revenue visibility across the entire customer lifecycle. And that's exactly where the Salesforce Certified Revenue Cloud Consultant certification becomes important. This certification exam isn't about learning features. It's about understanding how sales, pricing, contracts, and billing work together in real business scenarios. In this video, we'll cover important practice questions to help you start preparing for the Salesforce Revenue Cloud Consultant exam the right way. Question 1. A customer wants to sell subscription products with monthly billing and automatic renewals. Which Revenue Cloud feature should be used? A. Orders. B. Contract Lifecycle Management. C. Subscription Management. D. Salesforce CPQ Price Rules. Correct answer, C. Subscription Management Explanation. Subscription management supports recurring products, automated renewals, amendments, and billing alignment. CPQ helps with configuration and pricing but does not manage the lifecycle of subscriptions after the sale. Question 2. A sales rep needs to apply a discount only when a customer purchases more than 100 units of a product. What is the best way to achieve this? A. Product rule. B. Price rule with a price action. C. Discount schedule. D. Approval process. Correct answer, C. Discount schedule. Explanation. Discount schedules automatically apply tiered discounts based on quantity. Price rules can modify prices, but discount schedules are the standard and simplest approach for volume-based pricing. Question 3. A company wants to ensure that incompatible products cannot be sold together in the same quote. Which CPQ feature should be used? A. Validation. Rule. B. Product option. C. Configuration attribute. D. Product rule with a validation type. Correct answer, D. Product rule with a validation. Type explanation. Product rules with a validation type prevent invalid product combinations during configuration. Validation rules work on records, not quote line logic. Question 4. A customer requires invoices to be generated automatically once an order is activated. Which Revenue Cloud component handles this? A. Salesforce CPQ. B. Order Management. C. Billing. D. Contract Management. Correct answer, C. Billing explanation. Billing is responsible for invoice generation, payment schedules, and revenue recognition integration. Orders trigger the process, but billing executes invoicing. Question 5. A consultant needs to ensure that pricing calculations run in the correct sequence when multiple rules apply. What should be configured? A. Quote. Calculator plugin. B. Price rule evaluation order. C. Advanced approvals. D. Order of operations and flow. Correct answer, B. Price rule, evaluation order. Explanation. Price rule. Evaluation order determines when each pricing rule runs during calculation. Incorrect ordering is a common cause of pricing errors in Revenue Cloud implementations. So this is how you should approach the Salesforce Certified Revenue Cloud Consultant exam, as a way to understand real-world revenue processes, not just certification content. For exam-style Revenue Cloud Consultant practice questions, structured preparation, and focused revision, visit Study4Exam.com. If you want Part 2, where we cover important Revenue Cloud Consultant practice questions, comment Part 2 below. Prepare with clarity, not confusion.